Gus, and today we are going to be unboxing the HBX or Haiboxing Rampage. So, let's open up the box here. Okay, that's not really how it comes. I just kind of pre-unboxed everything, so I didn't have to sit here and show you guys cutting zip ties and all that other fun stuff. Of course, first thing you get is a manual. We get a service card. This does have a 90-day warranty on it, if you can see right there on there, with emails, contact information, and everything like that. We've got driving instructions, charging the batteries, caution, and then we go into a different language. It does have part numbers, breakdowns, and everything for several different models here in the back of the manual. So if you ever need parts, you can get parts, and from what I've seen, the majority of the parts are actually available on Amazon. Next thing we get, favorite part, stickers. Then we get the USB charger, a battery. There is a battery in the truck, so you get 2 batteries. Some light instructions here, because it does come with a light kit. You can put lights up in the front bumper, and it's got instructions for that. We got extra body clips and a spare battery. A remote. It does not come with the 2 AA's required. It has servo reversing, and then we have for our youngsters, if you let for the youngsters driving, we got slow speed or normal speed. And I'll be honest, this is not my first one of these. I've actually, well, not for myself anyway, I've gotten some for my nephews, and it's been about a year now and they still have not broken them. And you can imagine a little kid like that not breaking something like this. That's pretty impressive, because this is actually hobby grade. And the way it comes, we get a battery installed in the truck already. It looks like I think that's a 380 size brushed motor. Motor speed control combo. These shocks are just friction shocks, but they do have upgradable shocks. You can get aluminum shocks, you can get steel dog bones, you can get steel cups. And you can even get a brushless motor for this. Alright, let's get these stickers put on real quick, and then we're going to take her out for a rip. Alright, we'll get the batteries charged up and we'll take her outside. You can see that these batteries charged up really good, 4.2, and the other one was the same way. So that's definitely a good sign of a good quality battery. We're gonna go take her outside. Steering works good. It is proportional. Throttle's also proportional, except I'm a fat-fingered guy, so alright, let's get her outside. Alright, let's hit my little track here and see how she handles it. Jumps really nice. One thing nice is it seems to land on its wheels all the time. Oh, rolled over finally. The only issue I'm having is my little area here's got lots of big rocks in it, which makes it a little more difficult to hit the jumps. This thing would be absolutely perfect in like a nice little skate park. Definitely such a fun little truck.